Hey guys, welcome back to Solar Sessions with Ben. This is Ben from Belmont Solar, and I'm Brandon. We're gonna answer your solar questions, and today we're gonna explain what a grid-tied solar system is. Ben, I feel like we should explain this because there's battery backup systems, there's off-grid systems, and there's grid-tied systems, so it can get a little confusing. What's a grid-tied solar system?
A grid-tied solar system means you have an electrical meter connection to the electric utility. So this meter can keep track of energy coming in or energy going out. And those get turned into credits or IOUs. And those credits can be used at a later date. So you can produce 6 hours of energy during the day and store some of that energy for use at night.
So if my solar panels basically are producing more energy than I'm using, that extra is being tracked by the utility grid connection, which is we call net metering.
Yes, a lot like if you put cash into your account, then it has an excess and you can use that at a later date.
Gotcha, that's perfect. So there's no batteries with a grid-tied system, but it is literally tied to the utility grid, and that's how you get that net metering effect.
Yes.
All right. Guys, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you tune in next time.